Hi, I'm Christine from Christine's Natural Kitchen, and today I want to show you how easy it is to make French toast. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to find out about new videos that I post each week. So the ingredients for our French toast are simple. I'm using sourdough bread, but you can use other type of bread. You just want to make sure that you have the type of bread where you have thick slices, basically 3/4 of an inch thick. So in a bowl, you'll want to add your eggs. I'm adding 2 eggs to the bowl. These are pasture-raised eggs. They're the only kind of eggs I buy these days. I'm going to add my 1/4 cup of almond milk, or you can use whatever milk you like. The 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And just about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and a little pinch of salt. Mix these together. Some people like to add a little sweetener here. You can definitely add a teaspoon of sugar if you like. I'm going to take each slice of bread and dip it in there, and I'm not going to soak it in there. Some people like to soak their bread in the mixture. Personally, I like to just give it a nice thorough dip and then set it aside. And just repeat that until you use up all your bread. And this should be enough mixture for about 5 to 6 slices of bread. Like I did have plenty of mixture, enough for 6 slices, so I threw another one in there. Probably have enough for even 1 more slice, but you can always refrigerate that and it keeps for another day. So I have a little bowl of oil here. This is high heat oil. It's avocado oil, and a silicone brush. I'm just going to lightly brush my heated skillet. This is heating up over medium heat, and this is a cast iron skillet. But you can use other types of skillets. I know some people like to use non-stick. And then I'm going to take my dipped bread and just arrange that on the pan. I'm just going to do 3 at a time. I don't want to crowd the pan. And you're just going to let that cook on each side for a couple of minutes to nicely brown each side. Place the finished French toast on a serving plate and lightly re-oil your skillet. You gotta work fast, otherwise it starts smoking. Okay, so all of our French toast is finished cooking. So I've just layered up all of our French toast here on the plate. And now I'm going to drizzle it with some maple syrup. I like to use pure maple syrup. And then of course, if you like, you can feel free to sprinkle it with a little powdered sugar. I like to shake it through a small sieve or strainer just to get that nice effect. And there you go, perfect French toast, ready for breakfast. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more weekly cooking videos. Bye!